Coconut Bay Beach Resort. Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa is a popular all-inclusive resort located in Saint Lucia, a beautiful Caribbean island in the eastern Caribbean Sea. The resort is situated near Vieux Fort on the southern tip of the island, and it's just a short drive away from Hewanora International Airport, making it easily accessible for travelers. The resort is all-inclusive, which means that most of your meals, drinks, and activities are included in the price of your stay. This can be a convenient and cost-effective way to enjoy your vacation. The resort offers a variety of room categories, from standard guest rooms to suites and villas. Guests can choose from the adults-only Harmony Wing or the family-friendly Splash Wing, depending on their preferences. Coconut Bay offers a range of dining options, including buffet-style and à la carte restaurants. There are several restaurants to choose from, serving a variety of cuisines, including Caribbean, Asian, Italian, and more. The resort features multiple pools, including an adults-only pool and a family-friendly water park with slides and splash areas. The Kaimur Spa at Coconut Bay offers a range of treatments and services for relaxation and rejuvenation. It's an excellent place to unwind and pamper yourself. The resort offers a variety of activities and entertainment, including water sports, fitness classes, live music, and themed events. Coconut Bay has facilities and programs for children and teenagers, making it a family-friendly destination. The resort is a popular choice for destination weddings and other special events. They offer wedding packages and event planning services. The resort can help you arrange excursions and tours to explore the island's natural beauty, including rainforest hikes, snorkeling, and sailing. Resorts and their amenities can change over time, so it's a good idea to visit the official Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date information, pricing, and availability if you are planning a trip.